What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Block Hash Podcast channel. Today, we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin chart just past the FOMC meeting that was yesterday, where Jerome Powell said that he doesn't plan on cutting rates or changing rates until he sees inflation move to 2%. He also said another thing that could cause a rate cut would probably be a slow in the job market or in the growth in the GDP. If any of those things slow down economically, he could cut rates as well. So that opens up the door that could happen here in 2024 still, maybe even earlier than the end of the year in December, like many have speculated. So this has had a profound effect on Bitcoin over the past few weeks. Obviously, it falling back after the halving, having its pullback. This is something that we've all anticipated. It's been in this since at least the 11th of April. So we shouldn't all be too surprised to see this. The key here is what type of formation is occurring, and then how do we get out of that formation, okay? Right now, we're in a downward funnel, really correcting, breaking out of this long-term area of resistance that has formed a ceiling for Bitcoin for quite a while now. But this is okay. This is totally normal. We want to see this back test and this retrace before we head to higher highs. I don't think that we're going to go much lower than this for Bitcoin, to be completely honest with you guys. I think 60,000 is pretty strong. I think this is going to wick back up pretty quickly. But some things to note is, we could fall all the way down potentially to 50,000 if it really wanted to retrace that hard. Like, that is entirely possible. I'm just not so sure that's going to happen. I think we're likely to see a pivot here relatively soon. Maybe it tries to wick down a little bit more. But I think as we head into May, we're in May, excuse me, into the rest of May, I think we're going to see a lot of positive signs and growth from Bitcoin. You're probably likely to see a bounce here, one more retest, and then it start to climb its way out of here. It probably will be in towards the fall before we see Bitcoin really break out again to get above its all-time high, which is sitting just shy of 24,000. If you look on the moving average, we move the Bollinger Band away. We're just flirting with this 100 moving average at the moment. I think we'll come back above that. The 200 is way below, so we're pretty safe on Bitcoin. We really could come down to 50,000 if it so wanted to. But we're all good on the moving average in the cycle so far. On the RSI, we're definitely oversold on Bitcoin, which is a good sign to see on the daily. The last time we had a divergence in oversold would be 23rd of January, and look what happened after that. And last time we were severely overbought was back in the middle of March. So we're in a good position where we're likely to see things kind of flip back in the right direction. I'm pretty optimistic. I'd love to know what you guys think as well about where Bitcoin's heading. Going into the rest of May, I'm expecting us to retest up here, maybe get back toward our happy level of 65, 64, up to 67,000. And then heading into June, maybe we'll retest the 72, 73, 74 area. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe if you haven't already. If you have, thank you so much. Be sure to share with a friend, and we'll see you on the next episode. Cheers.